Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to seamlessly transfer all of your WeChat data over to a brand new phone. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. Let's grab your old phone first and navigate to the specific migration menu to get your data packaged up and ready for the move. Go ahead and open up the WeChat app on your old device and make sure you are fully logged in to your current account. Next, tap on the Me profile icon located down in the bottom right corner of your screen. From your profile page, look for the Settings option and tap on that, then select General from the next menu. Finally, simply scroll down a bit until you find the Chat History section and tap right on Chat History Migration and Backup to open up your transfer options. Now that we are in the correct menu, let's initiate the direct transfer from your current device so it can start broadcasting to your new one. You will see a couple of choices here, so go ahead and tap on Migration to move your data directly rather than just saving a static backup. On the next screen, tap the option that says Migrate to another phone or tablet, since we are upgrading to a new mobile device. Then, simply tap on the Migrate button, select the specific conversations you want to bring over, or just hit Select All, and tap Begin to generate your transfer code. Your old phone is now completely ready and waiting, so it is time to bring your new phone into the mix to finalize the transfer. You should now see a large QR code displayed directly on your old phone. Go ahead and grab your brand new phone, install the WeChat app if you haven't already, and log in to the exact same account. Finally, use the built-in scanner on your new phone to scan that specific QR code displayed on your old device, and your chat history will automatically start beaming over your Wi-Fi network. And that's it. You now know how to successfully transfer your WeChat data to a new phone. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and take care.